So I am doing this video right now for you, how to download your product after you are done. So once you create your planner, let's say I'm just showing you my other planner. So this is a period tracker planner. It's not included in your package, but just for the example, I'm showing you. So once I'm done, I just look at that I have everything done. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go and um over here it says share, and then I'm going to download as, then I'm gonna click on download, and then I'm gonna download as PDF print, and then I will leave it to RGB. Canva did CMYK as well, but for professional printing, and it's for pro. If you don't have pro, I would just go with RGB, and then I would say download. So it will download, actually I should show you. So it will download all my papers, and then that download, I will take it. Let me open up. So here is my download, right? All my papers and everything, all the question and everything is there. My whole planner is there. So whatever planner you create, this is how you download it. So the next part is, how do you upload on Etsy, right? How do you deliver it? That's, you have to go to Etsy and upload it. But how did you deliver it? I can show you what you do with that as well.